Is your video too shaky and distracting to watch? You don't have to worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to stabilize shaky footage in CapCut Mobile using its built-in stabilization. Let's get started. First is to open CapCut app on your mobile device and tap New Project. Select the shaky video you want to improve, then tap Add to import it into the editing timeline. Next, tap the video clip in the timeline to highlight it. The editing tools will appear at the bottom of the screen. You can now swipe through the editing tools until you find Stabilize and tap it. CapCut will display different stabilization levels, allowing you to reduce unwanted camera movement. The next step is to select the stabilization strength that best fits your footage. For videos with minor camera shake, a lower setting usually works well. For clips with more noticeable movement, you can choose a stronger option. Wait for CapCut to analyze and process the clip. Once it's finished, press the play button to preview the stabilized footage. And finally, that's how you stabilize shaky footage in CapCut Mobile. Steady shots create stunning stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, happy editing, and God bless you.